ayun, first of all, I want to thank you for, for those of you who keep showing up for my father. Kay, this is not an easy situation to navigate. The whole family, from the whole family, dako kaayo nga pasalamat sa inyong tanan. Kay it's been pila na ba ka months? 5 months. Yes, 5 months no unya. Wala gihapoy pag-undang suporta and paghigugma ang among nadawat. So daghang salamat sa inyo. I know that I said ganina na my father was okay. He is okay. He sounded lively and sharp as usual. But of course, his situation is not to be taken lightly because he has said that the loneliness does get to him more intensely and more frequently than he'd like to admit. So, ayun, that's why I try to be as persistent as possible because I know that the family, the whole family, and you, all of you, we keep him going. So, maoto. With that being said, it keeps him going. The constant communication from to the visits, the calls, and of course my daily letters. So I left The Hague. The first time I left The Hague was